Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, I am Sigit Mujiarto from Tidar University, Magelang, Central Java. I will present my research on characterization of diesel fuel engine fueled by dual fuel, syngas gasification refuse derivative fuel, and decline. My team consists of me, Sigit Mujiarto, Bambang Sudarmanta, Hambiah Fansuri, Arif Rahman Saleh, Nurmaladia Fajar Ningrum, and Nur Hayati. Introduction. Background of the problem. One has been a decline in the domestic oil production from year to year. This is data. Two has been an increase in petroleum consumption from years to years, causing Indonesia to experience a shortage of fuel oil and making Indonesia a fuel importer country. Three, the occurrence of waste generation in 2022 reaches 35.83 million per year. For the development of gasification technology that can produce syngas from biomass, especially from waste that can be longer be used. 5. Several previous studies use syngas from several biomass which could be used to substitute pertalite. Formulation of the problem. One, performance of the dual fuel syngas system from refuse derivative fuel gasification with declared on the stationary diesel engine. Two, the effect of change in declared consumption on a diesel generator set system, dual fuel syngas refuse derivative fuel, or RDF. Characteristic of change in the conditioner of the stationary diesel engine with a dual fuel system as indicated by the temperature parameter oil of the radiator, lubricated oil at exhaust gas and engine flow. Reset purpose. Knowing the performance, power, torque, SFC, and PMFP of diesel engine on the dual fuel system fuel resulting from the gasification of refuse derivative fuel RDF and declared fuel in four-stroke stationary diesel engine with variation of intake mass flow rate use a blower. 2. Knowing the percentage of substitutes declared in diesel generator set system with a dual fuel syngas refuse derivative fuel system. 3. Knowing the characteristic of the operating conditions of stationary engine diesel with a dual fuel system by observing the temperature of radiator, lubricating oil, exhaust gas, and engine flow. Scope of problem. 1. Single cylinder 4-stroke diesel engine. 2. Modification to the intake manifold. 3. Standard of air condition. 3. Declared and syngas fuel. 5. Doesn't discuss the process of making syngas. Reset methodology. This is a testing equipment schema. Consists of generator, diesel engine, measuring cup, intake manifold of the reactor, without intake and syngas, intake valve of the reactor, free air intake valve, exhaust, star gas, analyzer, smoke meter, lamp loading, ampere scale, display reactor by pass line valve, and thermocouple. Engine, diesel engine specification. We make a diesel engine, mark and model Diamond D11100L. Testing measuring tools consists of pipette volumeter, thermocouple, power meter display, thermocouple logger, and digital technometer. Smoke meter, stopwatch, star gas analyzer, and mass flow meter. Testing parameter consists two parameters, one input parameter and two output parameter. In input parameter consists a diesel engine and generator set diesel, engine speed 2,200 RPM, decklet and syngas fuel, volumetric pipette volume 10 millimeter, mass flow rate, and electric load be measured, particulate matter, voltmeter, current, operating temperature, mass flow intake, decklet, consumption time. Calculate diesel engine performance, power, torque, SFC and BNFC, AFR diesel engine, and substitutes decklet. Result. 1. Power against load graph. The trend line rises as the load increase. Torque graph against loading. The trend line rises with increasing loading. The highest torque value from dual fuel 30.373 Newton meter at a variation of 0.0078 kilogram per second. Highest torque value from single fuel 28.726 Newton meter. BMFAP graph against loading. The trend line is up as a power and torque. Graph of SFC against loading. The trend line decreases with increasing loading. The SFC value increase in dual fuel system 69.418%. Graph of decklet substitution of loading. The highest variation in mass flow rate is 0.0088 kilogram per second with a value of 43.45%. Drop after loading exceeds 5 kilowatt. Graph of exhaust gas temperature against loading. The trend tends to be upward. Large quantity of fuel, heat energy release, temperature tend to rise in dual fuel system. Graph of oil temperature on loading. The trend tends to be upward. Large quantity of fuel absorb heat from cylinder. Temperatures tend to rise in dual fuel system. Graph of radiator temperature against loading. The trend tends to be upward. Large quantity of fuel, coolant absorb heat. Temperature tend to rise in dual fuel system. Graph of engine temperature against loading. The trend tends to be upward. Large quantity of fuel, the engine block absorb heat. Temperature tend to rise in dual fuel system. Conclusions. The The result obtained for this diesel engine performance are as value follow. At a load of 7,000 watts, the highest power and torque recorded by the single fuel system were respectively 6.59 kilowatt and 28.62 Newton meter, while the highest power and torque recorded by the dual fuel system was the mass flow rate variation of 0.0078 kilogram per second, namely 6.99 kilowatt and 30.37 Newton meter. At the load of 700 watt, the highest SFC for the single fuel system was recorded at 0.260 kilowatt hours, while for the dual fuel system, the highest result was recorded as a mass flow rate variation of 0.0088 kilogram second, which was shown at 1.141 kilowatt hours. So, by using a dual fuel system, the highest percentage of Dirichlet substitution by syngas was recorded at a mass flow rate variation of 0.0088 kilogram per second, namely 43.45% at a load of 5,000 watts. The greater the loading value, the higher the temperature will be. The highest temperature was recorded by a dual system fuel with a mass flow rate variation of 0.0088 kilogram per second for a dual fuel system. The greater the value of the mass flow rate variation, the higher the temperature of the engine block, oil, cooling water, and exhaust gas. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.